Hi all, and happy snow day. This is an experimental little teaching device, a little lecturette that I thought I'd attempt today since we missed class. So I'm going to try to make this quick. I want to talk a little bit about integer notation. Integer notation is something we're going to use a lot this semester. It's going to become really handy, especially when we start dealing with scales that are not just 7-note scales like we've been used to in MTAS 1, 2, and 3. And the basic way integer notation works is simply that there is an integer number for all of the 12 possible pitch classes. And in this system, C is always going to be 0. So I'm going to start typing some labels in here. And you see C is always going to be 0. D will always be 2. E will always be 4. F is 5. F sharp is 6. G is 7. A is 9. B flat is actually 10, but in order to avoid confusion with 1 and 0, we're going to use the symbol T. And then this C is a return to the original pitch class, so we're going to call that 0. Not here on the screen, and I can actually go in and edit it if I wanted to have, let's add 2 more notes. I'm going to add B natural back to C. Just so that you can see that I'm going to call B natural, which is 11. That's going to be E, and then here we go back to 0. Now it's important to remember, unlike movable do, where we're always changing the tonic note, in this system, C is always 0. It's a fixed 0 system that's going to make our lives very easy to remember. Another thing that is really handy about this system is that it does not change with enharmonic alteration. So for instance, if I go in and I turn this F sharp into a G flat, and I turn this B flat, or let's say this B natural into a C flat, my integer numbers don't change. The other thing that is worth noting here is that for singing, because we will be singing on integers, we're going to use O, the single syllable O for 0. We're going to use sev for 7. And then T and E will be T and E. So that is the basic idea. I hope you enjoyed this lecturette, and I hope you are making great use of your snow day.